All right, so we're going to do some examples of derivatives of log base b functions. So those functions look like this. Y equals log base b of x. And we have a rule where the derivative of such a function is 1 over x times log base log base b of e. So let me make that look a little bit nicer. Log base b of e. Okay? So let's look at the function y equals log base 4 of 3x. Okay? According to this rule we have, y prime should be 1 over 3x, right? Everything inside the log, the x here is, along with anything else that goes in there, times log base b, which is 4, right? Log base 4 of e. And then by the chain rule, we need the derivative of the inside, so we multiply by 3. So then the 3's cancel, and our final answer is 1 over x log base 4 of e. Okay? That's one way to do that, and that's a perfectly acceptable answer. But we also know another rule that we just learned, that natural log of x is equal to log base e of x. And using the change of base formula, we can rewrite our original problem. The change of base formula is log base b of x equals log base n of x, where n is any number, over log base n, it's the same n, of b. So we can take our original problem and rewrite it as log base e of 3x over log base e of 4. Now, log base e is the same as natural log, so this is ln of 3x over ln of 4, right? And that we can rewrite as just ln of 1 over ln of 4 times ln of 3x. You don't have to rewrite it like that, but I do that in order to see that all that right there is a constant. So y prime then becomes the constant, because we always keep the constant when it's multiplied by a function, times the derivative of ln of 3x, which we know, we've done that a bunch, that's 1 over x. So 1 over ln of 4 times 1 over x. So here's two different answers to the same problem. But it turns out they're actually the same, because if we do the change of base formula, this answer becomes 1 over x times, we can change the base to ln of this log that we have here. We can change it to ln just like we did with the original problem. That would be ln of e over ln of 4. But ln of e is just log base e of e, and log base anything of itself, right? Log base b of b is 1. So that log base e cancels out, and we get the exact same thing we had there. So again, there's two different ways to do the exact same thing. Let's do another example. Let's let y equal log base 0.4 of sine of x. Okay? First we'll use the rule that we learned, the original rule for log base b of x. So that's 1 over sine of x times log base 0.4 of e times the derivative of sine, which is cosine x. Okay, and then cosine over sine is cotangent x, and we keep the log base 0.4 of e. Okay, another way to do that is to change the base so that y equals ln of sine of x over ln of 0.4. Okay, y prime then is, we're going to keep the constant, 1 over ln of 0.4, multiplied by the derivative of natural log of sine of x, which is 1 over sine of x times cosine x, which is, of course, cotangent x and over the ln of 0.4. And these are, of course, the same because ln log base 0.4 of e is ln of e over ln of 0.4, which is 1 over ln of 0.4. So we get the same answer from either problem, just like before. All right, and there you go.